So, hello everybody. Today we want to talk about the math library in python3, and as an example I just choose the quadratic equation x squared plus px plus q equals 0. We can solve this with this formula here, which is the so-called small formula. So to be able to solve this, we need the square root, and this square root is in the math library of python3. And as a very easy example, I just choose x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0 with the solutions 1 and 4, which can be very quickly checked via dar, because 1 times 4 equals 4 and 1 plus 4 equals 5, and if you change the sign you get minus 5, which equals this, and this proves that it is a solution. But how dar works I will maybe show you in another video. So first we have to import the library. Every library has to be imported, and I always use this convention: import math as m, and then I have to invoke, for example, m.sqrt and so on. Okay, so here if we want to apply this formula, our p equals minus 5 and our q equals plus 4, and then we get our x1 equals as minus p over 2, and then we get a plus, and now we need the square root function m dot square root, and here we have p squared over 4 minus q, and the same we need with the minus sign here. So that's about it, and then we will also print our solutions. x1 equals x1 and x2 equals x2. You see, these are the solutions. Sorry for the interruption, but yes, I'm a parent and this happens sometimes. Anyway, you see, you can implement several functions and you can use everything you have in the mathlib. And we have just implemented this formula by using the square root function of the math library. Okay, import math as m, and then you can invoke all the mathematical functions which are in the library. If you want to know what kind of functions there are also in this library, you just make a Google search, and then you will see that you have sinus, cosinus, acosinus, cosinus, exponential, error function, and so on. Many functions which you can use. So this is it. See you next time. Catch.